ITMA 2019 is a huge success. Over the last 6 days we have seen strong attendance at the exhibition and conferences. The ITMA Sustainable Innovation Award spotlights inspirational industry collaboration and R&D efforts that we should recognize and promote. The state-of-the-art technologies at the show prove ITMA to be the place of innovation.
A big thank you to all those who have made ITMA 2019 such a resounding success. The CEMATECs, the ITMA services, the supporting organizations, the speakers, the event organizers, the media, the City of Barcelona, the FIA organization. But last but not least, the visitors and the exhibitors who have shaped the future of a beloved textile industry in the last 7 days. Thank you!
Where will you be in June 2023? The world could be a very different place by then. But ITMA will be back in Milan in 4 years' time.
We look forward to welcome you to ITMA 2023 in Milan.